Ajit Pawar, and perhaps Mahayuti would actually get a new turn altogether.
Is looking at a clean sweep. Pune, as of now, the BJP is way ahead. Nagpur is headed for a clean sweep. Pimpri Chinchwad, surprising, Abhishek, but BJP has taken a huge lead there. The Pawars are not even in the picture in Pimpri Chinchwad, so that is a big setback for them. In Pune, 45 for the BJP, 6 seats, only 6 leads rather. 8 leads. Pimpri Chinchwad 31-8 now. 31 for the BJP, 8 for the Pawars. They are way behind. So it's not working. In Pune, 45-6. So the Pawars are routed. Wherever you're looking at the numbers, they are nowhere in the picture, except for Sangli, where I'm seeing Congress and I think the Congress and the Pawars had a tie-up there. That's the only place where there is at least a neck-and-neck battle, but otherwise they're completely routed. B.D. Sinha is joining us. If we can quickly get in a sound, reaction from him to the trends. B.D. Sinha ji, Mumbai, सिर्फ मुंबई नहीं, लेकिन हर कॉर्पोरेशन में शायद अनएक्सपेक्टेड लीड्स है ये.
यस इस तरह से जो स्पीड आप दिख रही है, जिस तरह से माघ मेले में गंगा जी में नाव की स्पीड चल रही है, माघ मेले की स्पीड से, उसी स्पीड से एकनाथ शिंदे साहब की स्पीड चल रही है. और इसका रीजन है कि ये बहुत जमीनी नेता है. मैं इनसे 25 साल से जुड़ा हुआ है और इनकी जो प्रॉमिस होती है, जो कमिटमेंट होती है, उसके डिलीवर करते हैं. इस तरह से पब्लिक इनके साथ पूरी है. और आज ये हालांकि विधानसभा के इलेक्शन में ही जो है ये क्लियर हो गया था कि असली शिवसेना कौन है. आज के इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट के बाद देखिए 100% क्लियर हो गया कि असली शिवसेना एकनाथ शिंदे साहब की शिवसेना है.
Okay, let's go across also. Is Asif still there? Asif, let's get a word from Asif right now. Asif, Pune is seeing a huge lead. I think Pimpri Chinchwad, the BJP is just zoomed ahead. I don't know whether it was expected, but looking at how the Pawars strategized there, they did a joint news conference there, Shravan, Abhishek. And despite that, they're nowhere in the picture in the early trends that are coming in. Early leads, BJP 31, NCP, Pawar, Ajit Pawar plus Sharad Pawar are only 7. So that is a big setback. Pimpri Chinchwad and Pune, 2 other headlines, Asif.
You see, as I said, the statement also goes from the party that all major palikas will be headed with a Bharatiya Janata Party mayor. Now, this level of confidence only comes when you have done your good homework, when you have delivered well, and when you fared well in your exams. In terms of all aspects, ever since Devendra ji came here, of course he came here for the second time, earlier he was a DCN, but the strategies that he has adopted in larger interests, you see, have worked, you see, because people want development and the infrastructural push that the city has got, all smart cities that you say, you see, and especially Mumbai, because it has a huge budget of 75,000 crores, the ramification of this for Mumbai is going to be a large scale, and by and large, the people are now aware that the government that is in center, the government is in state, the government that is in is what is the government we should have in a city like Mumbai, in a city like Pune, because to avoid complication, to ensure the smooth flow of funds and progress. आधा समय आप झगड़ने में लगे रहते हो. You are only involved in pulling legs with each other. So विकास के मुद्दे पे, this is a stamp of development for Devendra Fadnavis ji, because our leaders believe that they have to be on the ground and not just चुनाव के पहले जो है चुनाव के दौरान अगर आप देखो जमीन पर अगर
Can we go to the ground?
I want to ask you, Shravan, how many meetings did